Welcome to the world of eco-friendly woodworking, where creativity meets sustainability. As you embark on this journey, you'll discover the beauty of organic wood and the joy of crafting unique items that not only enhance your living space, but also contribute to a healthier planet. This craft allows you to express your artistic vision while embracing environmentally conscious practices, making each project meaningful and fulfilling. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your skills, the possibilities are endless. In this video, we'll explore various eco-friendly wooden craft ideas tailored for novice craftsmen. You'll learn about essential woodworking tools, fundamental techniques, and the importance of sourcing sustainable materials. From upcycling reclaimed wood to creating simple yet elegant designs, each project is designed to inspire creativity while promoting a sustainable lifestyle. Join us as we delve into the art of woodworking, where every piece you create not only reflects your craftsmanship but also your commitment to preserving our planet for future generations. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on eco-friendly woodworking and crafting tips. Your support means a lot, and by liking this video, you help us reach a wider audience who shares our passion for sustainability. We encourage you to share this video with friends and family who might be interested in embarking on their own woodworking journey. And be sure to stay with us until the end, as we have some exciting projects and additional tips lined up that you won't want to miss. Together, let's inspire a community dedicated to creativity and environmentally conscious living. Before diving into crafting, it's essential to understand the benefits of using organic wood. Sourced from sustainably managed forests or reclaimed from older structures, organic wood minimizes environmental impact. This choice not only supports sustainable practices but also adds unique character to each piece, appealing to eco-conscious consumers. Essential woodworking tools. As a beginner, having the right tools is crucial. Basic woodworking tools like saws, chisels, and sanders will help you shape and refine your projects. Investing in quality, sustainable tools can enhance your crafting experience while promoting long-term use, reducing waste in the process. Basic crafting techniques. Familiarizing yourself with fundamental woodworking techniques is key to creating quality crafts. Techniques such as measuring, cutting, and sanding are foundational skills that will improve your craftsmanship. Practicing these skills with organic wood allows you to appreciate the material's unique qualities while honing your abilities. Upcycling wood. One of the most sustainable practices in woodworking is upcycling. Using reclaimed wood not only reduces waste but also gives new life to materials that might otherwise be discarded. This approach encourages creativity, as each piece comes with its own history and character, making your crafts truly one of a kind. Simple projects for beginners. Starting with simple projects can build your confidence and skills. Consider crafting small items like coasters or plant stands. These projects require minimal tools and can be completed quickly, allowing you to experiment with different techniques and finishes while working with organic materials. Finishing techniques. Learning how to finish your crafts is essential for both aesthetics and durability. Using natural oils or eco-friendly stains can enhance the beauty of organic wood while keeping the environment in mind. Proper finishing techniques also protect your crafts, allowing them to last longer and be more appealing to potential buyers. Creating a workspace. Establishing a dedicated workspace for your woodworking projects is important. A well-organized area with good lighting and ventilation will make crafting more enjoyable and efficient. Incorporating sustainable practices into your workspace, such as using recycled materials for storage, can further enhance your commitment to eco-friendly crafting. Marketing your crafts. Once you've created your wooden crafts, consider how to market them effectively. Highlighting the sustainable aspects of your work can attract eco-conscious consumers. Utilizing social media and local craft fairs can help you reach a wider audience, emphasizing the unique qualities of your organic wood creations. Networking with other craftsmen. Connecting with other woodworking enthusiasts can provide valuable insights and inspiration. Joining local workshops or online communities allows you to share techniques and ideas while fostering a supportive network. Collaborating with others can also lead to innovative projects that incorporate sustainable practices. Exploring different wood types. Familiarizing yourself with various types of organic wood will expand your crafting possibilities. Each type has unique properties, from hardness to grain patterns, which can influence your project outcomes. Experimenting with different woods can lead to discovering your personal style and preferences in crafting. Sustainability in business practices. If you plan to turn your crafting hobby into a business, incorporating sustainability into your practices is vital. This includes sourcing materials responsibly, minimizing waste, and considering the environmental impact of your production methods. A commitment to sustainability can differentiate your brand in a competitive market. Educating consumers. As a craftsman, educating your customers about the benefits of organic wood and sustainable practices can enhance their appreciation for your work. Providing information about the sourcing of your materials and the environmental benefits can create a deeper connection between your products and your audience. Expanding your skill set. As you gain confidence in your woodworking abilities, consider expanding your skill set. Learning advanced techniques such as joinery or carving can open up new avenues for creativity. Workshops and online tutorials are excellent resources for developing these skills while continuing to focus on sustainability. Incorporating design principles. Understanding basic design principles can elevate your woodworking projects. Consider aspects such as balance, proportion, and functionality when creating your crafts. This knowledge will help you produce aesthetically pleasing and practical items that appeal to a wider audience. Building a portfolio. As you refine your skills and explore new techniques, it's essential to document your progress. Creating a portfolio of your work not only showcases your craftsmanship, but also serves as a valuable tool for attracting potential clients or buyers. Include photographs of your projects, descriptions of the materials used, and insights into your design process. Having a well-organized portfolio can help you define your style, track your growth, and present your work professionally, ultimately enhancing your presence within the woodworking community. Finally, take time to reflect on your journey as a beginner craftsman. Embracing the learning process and celebrating your progress will foster a deeper connection to your craft. By remaining committed to using organic wood and sustainable practices, you can build a fulfilling and impactful woodworking business that resonates with both you and your customers. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found the content inspiring and informative. If you enjoyed what you saw, please take a moment to like the video, as your support helps us create more engaging content. Sharing this video with friends and family can also spread the word about eco-friendly woodworking and inspire others to join our sustainable crafting community. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, projects, and ideas that celebrate creativity and sustainability. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in our next video.